Regular care of the glass membrane and the diaphragm of a pH electrode is a must. But why and how can you do this? Contamination of the glass membrane or the diaphragm of your pH electrode can lead to unstable measuring values, longer conditioning times, or incorrect results. To prevent this, Metrohm offers the pHit kit for cleaning and regenerating pH electrodes. The pHit kit contains 50 ml cleaning solution, 50 ml 3 molar potassium chloride solution, 50 ml storage solution, 2 storage vessels, and instructions for use. First, rinse the pH electrode with deionized water and close the refill plug. Immerse the electrode in a storage vessel filled with cleaning solution. Make sure that the diaphragm is fully covered. Give the pH electrode time to regenerate. Afterwards, empty the electrolyte chamber. Then rinse and refill with fresh electrolyte. Finally, condition the sensor. For this, exchange the storage solution in the storage vessel of your pH electrode and then immerse the sensor. That's it! If you want to learn more about improving the lifetime of your pH electrode, have a look at our monograph.